Working around power lines can be dangerous, but what we want to do is help you to be safe when doing it. I'm in an orchard today to try and provide you with all the information you need to work at a safe distance from the power lines. We're about 20 feet away from the top of the tree to the lines right now, which is a safe distance. Now this tree's pretty low right now. It's early in the season. It hasn't grown to its full potential. It's going to grow another 4 feet. The lines above us can sag a couple feet, and we have to maintain a distance of 15 feet or more between you, the equipment you use, and everything that can conduct electricity from these lines to the ground. So today we're going to help you learn some things that'll keep you safe when you're working around power lines. We want to make sure that you're safe when working near power lines. So how do you know if you're maintaining that safe distance away from the line and not getting within 15 feet of it? One common way to do it is to use a rangefinder or other device that can measure from the ground how far away you are. You should never use a tape measure or any other device to try and figure out how far away you are, because that device could get inside that 15-foot window. The power could leave that line, get into that device you're holding, ultimately use you as a path for the electricity to get down into the ground, which would compromise your safety a great deal and possibly cause you, again, serious injury or death. We also recommend that you carry a ladder parallel to the ground when working around power lines. There are some things you can do with the clothes you wear and the equipment you use that can also keep you safe. A common practice among a lot of people that pick fruit is to use duct tape to keep their hands from getting cut. We'd advise against this. Duct tape can increase electrical conductivity and again cause a dangerous situation, allowing the power to get out of the line and use you as a path to ground. The shoes you wear can also have an impact on your safety. We recommend wearing work boots like these with a heel to securely anchor you to the ladder and further increase your safety. Trimming trees under power lines is another potentially dangerous situation, so we ask that you always make sure the height of the trimmer never enters the 15-foot safety zone beneath the power lines. You also need to be aware of spraying under power lines. A solid stream of water that contacts a transmission line can conduct significant amounts of electricity, so we recommend that you water with a fine mist or an intermittent spray of water. Thanks for taking the time to learn these important safety tips for working around our power lines. If you have questions or would like additional information, please contact the Bonneville Power Administration at the number on the screen.